everybody, welcome again to my channel. And again, this is your Tita Rita on the block. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and thank you for staying with me and uh, for viewing my channel. And wag na tayo mapaligoy-ligoy pa. The reason why I did this video, it's because I would like to greet each and every one of you a happy International Women's Month. Since trending ngayon tong mga video all around the social media platform. So without further ado, okay, I have 3 women na gusto kong pasalamatan because I want to thank them and I want to greet them a happy International Women's Month. And the reason why silang tatlo yung napili ko kasi talaga lodi ko yung tatlong yan. Yun. So first one is Miss Ivana Lawi kasi talaga idol ko talaga siya kasi talaga alam mo yun yung pag gumawa siya ng mga video talagang lagi nagta-trending. Yun. Tsaka ano bang tawag nito? Alam mo yung pag tumulong siya sa kapwa, talagang genuine, galing sa puso. Yun. So, most especially nung pinaka-recent video niya, recently, na which is, silang dalawa ni Zeyna Barake. Si Zeyna Barake is the second woman na gusto kong pasalamatan because she has also a very golden heart. Okay, dalawa sila. Lalo na yung nag-trending, yung video nilang dalawa, yung nagpunta sila ng palengke. Alam mo yung mukha silang totoo, mukhang genuine, galing sa puso. So, it represents women na gumagawa with passion. And likewise, another thing is, si Zainab, another thing na nagustuhan ko rin sa kanya is, yung pinaka-recent video niya, nitong nakaraan is yung may dalawa siyang tinulungan kasi yung nag-meal siya ng lunch and dinner tapos yung dalawang yun pinakain siya tapos binigyan niya ng 10K. So kumbaga I believe it happens for a reason eh. Alam mo yun yung tipo nakakuha siya ng random person. And then the third person na tinutukoy ko in this video is si Queen Manika Money, yung rapper. Promise. Seryoso, idol ko talaga yun kasi talagang yung mga banat niya, yung mga kanta niya, talagang dinadownload ko talaga sa cellphone ko kasi talagang gusto ko talaga pinakikinggan yung mga tugtog niya, promise. Yung as in talagang talaga sa pandirig ko. Tsaka I know she has a golden heart as well. It's just so happen lang na siguro sa social media kasi ang nakikita lang natin is yung tough side niya eh. Yung strongest side niya. Pero yan, yung tatlong yan, I really do like these 3 people and happy International Women's Month to these 3 people and I hope that I can meet them someday. Peace. Bye everyone and happy International Women's Month to everyone. Bye.